So just on the side here, I'm gonna fit 2 vents. So we took a little drive out to Paul. We're at Pablo Escobar's house now. This is where they had that horse scene on Narcos. Welcome to Sating Lady Africa. I'm Ricky, and this is my wife Simone.
After 2 years of hard work on our boat, she's finally ready to take us from South Africa across the Atlantic to the Bahamas. Be sure to join in our adventures by subscribing down below.
Red wine in your bed.
It's still lockdown here in South Africa, although things are easing up, so we got things to do and places to see. Our clock is ticking.
What I managed to get from here, inside here, you know, is the inverter. So the inverter sits over there, and here's the DC to DC converters. So not that they're getting hot, but it's always advisable to keep them well ventilated and stuff. So just on the side here, I'm gonna fit 2 vents. I've got these vents, they look like that, fairly cheap and easy. Gonna mount one up top here, one at the bottom, and hopefully it will draw in some and suck out some. Obviously want to make sure that I don't take any cables up with it. Kevin, I hope you don't mind I'm using a vacuum cleaner. You might convince me also to get one, because I think this thing is like a very nifty thing to have on a boat. And just like that, the wife's happy because I didn't make a mess. There's the dent, looks good. I'm just gonna take that little sticker off. But done, on to the next one. Be able to see in here as well, but you see that light coming in there? I've got the vent missing from there, and I've got a new vent over here. So I went to go buy a new one. I just got to get that installed, and that's for the vent pipe for our water tanks. So what's nice about them, so they face down like this, and then it's got 2 little breather holes with a little bit of mesh in there, which doesn't allow bugs to go in and clog up the lines, because sometimes these things can be clogged up. There you go, there's the breather hose. Done, another project finished. So obviously from moving from land life to boat life, well, personally I feel like I don't need more than 2 jackets. So I got my wet weather jacket and I got my hoodie, and then the rest we're gonna go give away. It's a rainy day, and I think there's a lot of homeless people here in Cape Town, so we're gonna give away all our jackets. So we're folding them in little burritos, putting them in here, and we're gonna go give some jackets and hoodies away. And yeah, it could be someone that's in a worse off position than you, and they could need it. So you want to give this one away too?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I know, but I don't want to keep all my jackets, and
that's real wool.
I don't want to. All my jackets are nice, but I want to keep them, and I'm not going to have the opportunity to wear them. Someone else can wear it.
That's also true. This bag is full. This is a nice one.
Yeah. It was a cold and miserable day, so our jackets were put to good use.
Cool. How's it going? Good. Stay warm, eh? You're welcome.
There's something to keep you warm. The following day we took a road trip down to Paarl to visit Yapi, a friend of ours we hadn't seen in a while, and went on a tour of Paarl. He took us to a well-known rock here in Paarl. It reminded us of Vasquez Rocks in California.
So we took a little drive out to Paarl because it was Yapi's birthday yesterday, and we come check out what it looks like out here. And we found some rocks, so we're going to climb them. As you can see, I am totally ready and dressed for it. I've got my climbing shoes, and we're going to go up there.
On 14 Washburn Street.
There is Table Mountain.
The view from the top was absolutely amazing. The weekend we took our American cruising neighbors, Alan and Patricia, to Signal Hill to see the paragliders and to Company Gardens here in Cape Town to feed the ducks, pigeons and squirrels. Eat nicely! There. The worst thing is
when you get that old, you look like a statue.
There we go, there we go. It scratched my eyes.
Gosh. He's like balancing.
I'll go sit on this one.
We all felt like real pigeon whisperers, although the pigeons would do anything for some peanuts.
Got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we
You're catching a ride.
were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt to
Hey dude.
down and open top. We were close not to take it too far, though it's hard not tempted.
And we ended the day off driving down Chapman's Peak to watch the sunset. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to alert you every time we upload a new episode, and give this video a big thumbs up. It's a free way you can support our channel. Ricky looking so fresh. Gonna go wine tasting. Hi Patricia. Hi.
On our way to the wine place.
Our first stop was Waterford Wine Estate.
So we had a wine estate, the first one, and we had some friends invite us over to come for some wine with them, and we're super stoked to be here, so it's going to be cool.
It's my first time at a wine farm.
Oh, mine too.
Is it? I don't know.
Except for the one in Portugal where the guys stepping in a pot.
We were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then.
We were their first customers since lockdown started back in March.
Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know.
So it's like starters, mains and dessert. I want to sniff them all. You gotta be fancy, you gotta spin it. Which one goes first, the chocolate or the wine?
Wine.
Chocolate. Wine.
How's your vein?
It's good. I like the chocolate.
Are you snobby now?
Snobby. My chocolate to my wine. We're going to wine farm number 2 and Ricky's already popped by.
Oh, that one hit me between the eyes, man. A strong one. I think it was all the sugar and the chocolate. On to the next. We're at Pablo Escobar's house now. This is where they had that horse scene on Narcos. So that was filmed, yeah. No, I'm just kidding, I'm talking shit. But it looks like it, doesn't it? Check there. Check the mountains in the back there. You can just see them. It's a pretty epic place. The experience is pretty cool. I really enjoyed it.
The bus is leaving us.
Where's the bus at?
Everyone's walking to the bus, so
Did the bus wait the whole time? It's
Yes,
spoiled
taking-
today.
Our second stop was Takara.
How cool is this spot?
This place is amazing.
Hey, that's really awesome. That's a lot of vino there. Smells like wood.
It smells like a fire.
That's what I was smelling. There's a fireplace. How good does that wood smell?
It smells amazing.
This view out is absolutely mind blowing.
I'm scared to death, and the ground is shaking.
So we just finished up at the second destination, Takara. This place is absolutely unreal. I'm not even a big wine foodie, but this was epic. Really, really good. Such a cool experience, and with an epic view to it. So if you guys are in the Cape Town area, you're coming to visit, check this place out.
And you get olives.
And you get big olives, big packets of olives, and it was amazing. It was really awesome. Beautiful place.
Ricky's finishing up all the work that he has to do on the other boat, so I'm going to start cleaning up our boat. There's so much stuff that we need to sort out, get rid of, organize this boat a little bit more, but apart from that, I need to give this boat a bit of a little spring clean and just tidy everything up, because this last week has just been chaos and we've just been chucking everything anyway. So I'm going to sort this stuff out, and then hopefully we can have some structure back on our boat, because at the moment, as you can see, it's a mess.
Another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance. We need another chance. I'm waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Just waiting for a sign.
So I did not manage to finish up the whole boat and cleaning. I literally did the starboard forward, the head, and then the passage between the two. The aft cabins are like a mess. Ricky's been messing around here, as you can see, so I need to clean up all of this crap tomorrow. I'm gonna make some dinner. I forgot to take meat out, but luckily we have a lot of salad stuff that is busy going off, so I'm gonna make us a nice tuna salad, and that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Yeah, I'll carry on finishing cleaning up the boat tomorrow.
Leaving me like this. You let it slip away, and later on we kiss. Oh boy.
I didn't film it, but I added some tuna and olives, which we got from Takara, into the salad bowls, topped off with some olive oil and balsamic vinegar.
I see right through your disguise. The music stopped and you were gone. I was hoping for another dawn.
You're gonna be on the outside or on the inside.
Who do you want me to be?
I need you to just hold the screwdriver so that I'm gonna be on the inside of the hole.
So I must climb in there.
You can climb in there, or I can climb in there.
Ricky requested my help to come and help him while he's busy working on the boat and I was cleaning.
So this is a 44-foot mono. Check there. 1000 watts of split panel mono crystalline. Today wasn't even a great day, showing 850 watts coming in. So it's freaking powerful. I'm very happy with these panels and the entire system. I'll show you guys what the lithium looks like inside. Put a new AC panel. We're putting in an aircon system, an inverter style system, so it's super efficient. He can actually run it off the solar, and he's gonna go cruising for a couple of years, so he's gonna really love this setup. It's gonna be sweet. So this is the new display system that we put. Two nice acrylic covers to cover all the old units that we took out. A new AC control system with all these outlets and control for the air conditioner, the water heater, all the outlets, color control, and then a digital control to monitor the charging and that. But have a look at that. I mean, it's not even a sunny day, still in the winter. So 500 plus watts coming in at the moment, running the microwave, 81 amps going out, and I know he's going to be super stoked with the system. So I'll show you the back what it looks like. And yeah, under one of the aft cabins there you can see 2 MPPT chargers, one of the isolating breakers, the buzz bar isolators, and 620 amp hours of lithium. So yeah, he's gonna have an insane amount of lithium. In here, one of the cabinets, there's the inverter with fan forced cooling. There's on the top vents, side vents, bottom vent, and then there's the wind generator also in there, so it tidies up nice and neat. He doesn't have to see any of that. Easy to get to. That's another system complete, and someone else is going to enjoy amazing time sailing with the system. He's really going to enjoy what he's getting. The only thing we got come flying in is a brand new monster alternator for the system, to getting an aircon system, which we're picking up next week, and then we'll do that install. So aircon, lithium batteries, solar panels, wind generator, monster alternator, and yeah, it's a cool system. So cheers guys, don't forget to subscribe below, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully next week we're done working on other people's boats and we can go sailing, hopefully.
And if you'd like to join our Lady Africa family, you can click on any of the links in the description below.
Cheers.
Cheers.